channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making another cocoa olive recipe, and you've probably seen me make my forest blend for the 100% coconut oil recipe. And again, like the whiskey and cedar wood, I had positive feedback, and same for the forest blend, so I thought I'd slab it up. And this will be a 6 kilo batch as opposed to 5 kilo batches I do in the slab. But I'm going to try 6 kilo because I want them to be higher and I want them to weigh at least 130 grams each. So I thought I'll try and see how they turn out, doing 6 kilo batch. And that's my lime water with sugar, salt and sodium lactate. I'm going to do the same colour scheme with what I did before, the nude French clay, with a little bit of the white clay just to lighten it up a little bit. And the green French clay with just a little bit of white clay again, just to lighten it up. I don't want it too dark. Just want them nice and subtle. I like pastel type colours. And I thought, equal split batch colour swirl would be nice. So I thought, let's see how they turn out in a slab. And I really like how the smell is. I've been using it myself and it's turned out really nice. So I thought I'll just go ahead and put it in a slab and see how I go. So the forest blend is an essential oil blend of cedarwood, patchouli, mei cheng, pine and basil, and it's just so beautiful and earthy. It reminds me of when you're in the deep forest or deep bush area, and that nice earthy smell from all the debris and the leaves and everything that's on the floor, and the breeze that you get, like that nice woody breeze. That's what that reminds me of, and that's why I designed it that way, because I was aiming for a woody forest blend. So, and I really like how that's turned out. So, enough talking, let's get soaping.